So you can't tell from this video, but my shoes and insoles are definitely iced over, like thick, like froze solid. And I'm about to put these on my feet and walk in that. Lovely. Just to give you an idea of how cold it is, a piece of material is supposed to flop around, frozen solid. It's that cold. But last day of hiking, 25 miles today, Katahdin tomorrow. Starting off is a beautiful sunny day. This has got to be one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. Hiking in this is awesome. This is Rainbow Ledges, and it is gorgeous. Apparently there's a view of Katahdin somewhere over here. I have to go check that out. Holy snow-covered Katahdin. That is the mountain I'm climbing tomorrow with all that snow on it over there. And this is the view from Rainbow Ledges. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! I can actually see Katahdin. Bittersweet. Here's Katahdin from A-Ball Bridge. October 18th. And I'm summiting tomorrow. There she is! I just can't believe it. I'm really here. Really almost done it.
Here comes Dixie crossing into Baxter State Park.
About to walk into Baxter State Park. So I'm officially hiking in Baxter State Park. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, less than 15 miles and this is over. I mean, wow. It's been crazy. It's been awesome. It's been everything. I completed my last ford right at dark, which is not smart, but done fording on the AT. Hallelujah. Somehow I'm not surprised that my Katahdin Eve is spent night hiking. But the snow show does look pretty in the headlamp. Woo! Going out with a bang. So it's about 6:45 a.m. October 19th, 2015. And it's about 21 to 24 degrees, somewhere in there. And I'm in Baxter State Park, approaching Katahdin. Pretty. Hiking Katahdin. Snow and ice and rocks and water. Ooh, look at all this snow. Going up Katahdin. Nice. Hadn't even got up above tree line yet. Just more and more snow everywhere. So pretty. A lot of ice. Oh my gosh, you see everything whited out through there? Literally walking on solid ice. Oh my goodness. We thought Katahdin might be a little easier. Just kidding. But solid ice for real.
What are you doing, Dixie?
Trying to kill myself.
You don't want to loop around?
There's a loop. Not if this is the real way.
I think it's just whatever way you want to get up.
Look at how pretty. So this is the trail here. Got a little bit with snow and ice. That's the trail. Teamwork. Just climbed up over there, and the trail continues straight up. Katahdin is no joke, but man, she's pretty. Finally flattened out some. Should be getting closer. I think this is the tableland. It's beautiful up here though. Everything's just covered in snow. Smile of the trail. Knocking it out now. Look how deep the snow is. Way deeper in some areas. And every now and then you get a surprise ice water pocket. There it is. That is the end. I don't know if you can see the sign, but there she is. Okay, so I am here at Amicalola State Park, and I am about to hike the approach trail. Just weighed my pack in and signed the register. So you thought it was over, but no, road trip home. Got to get back to Alabama. So this is Acadia National Park, and it is so pretty. Here's the ocean. Stuck our feet in the water. It's cold, very cold, but pretty.